Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to design your own custom patterns, maybe for printing on products or just to add your unique touch to projects, but you don't have any drawing skills, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how you can easily create seamless patterns using Canva and Printify with absolutely no drawing required. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own pattern ready to use, whether you want to print it on a mug, t-shirt, tote bag, or anywhere else. Let's get into it. First things first, head over to Canva. You can use either the free or the pro version for this tutorial, so don't worry if you've only got a basic account. Canva is our digital canvas for today, a super user-friendly space, even if you've never designed anything before. If you haven't signed up, it just takes a minute and is completely free. Once you're in Canva, look up toward that big Create a Design button in the top right corner and give it a click. This opens up a menu with all kinds of templates to choose from. For our purposes, we're going to type in poster landscape. Why? Well, the poster landscape size gives us a nice wide space to work, which is perfect for repeating patterns. It's big enough to play around with, but also an easy size for exporting and using on products via Printify or other print-on-demand platforms. Now, with your blank canvas open, move over to the left side and click on the Elements tab. This is where all the magic happens. In the search bar at the top, type in animal patterns. If you're a fan of spots, stripes, or whimsical animal prints, you're going to love the variety that pops up. You'll see everything from zebra stripes to cheetah spots and a whole bunch of other fun designs. Take a moment here, scroll through and pick a pattern or a couple of patterns that really catch your eye. Remember, there's no pressure to get it perfect right away. Part of the fun is experimenting. Once you've settled on the patterns you love, simply click them to drop them onto your canvas. Now comes a really important step, duplication. Select your pattern element and hit the duplicate button, or just use the copy and paste functions, whatever you're comfortable with. Start arranging these duplicated patterns side by side, making sure their edges line up nicely. This is the trick that makes your pattern look seamless when it's repeated. It might take a bit of adjusting, maybe scaling or rotating slightly, so don't rush this. Imagine you're putting together the pieces of a puzzle. The better they fit, the nicer your pattern will look repeated across your product. If you want to check how seamless your pattern actually is, you can use Canva's grouping tools. Select all your elements, group them, and duplicate the grouped set to see how the edges match up when you butt them together. If it looks off, just nudge the elements until the transitions are nice and smooth. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. Getting patterns to line up can be a bit fiddly, but it's so satisfying once you see that seamless flow. And just like that, you've created your very own seamless animal pattern without having to draw a single line. From here, you can download your design and upload it straight to Printify or any other print-on-demand site to put it on all sorts of products. The possibilities are endless. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to show off your pattern creations, drop me a comment below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy design tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next video.